Planning a vacation and worried about your furry friend? Let's face it, traveling with pets can sometimes feel like herding cats. The logistics alone can be a nightmare. What airlines will accept pets? What kind of accommodation can cater to their needs? And that's before we even get to the nitty-gritty of vaccinations and paperwork. Then there's the packing. Anyone who's ever tried to fit a week's worth of supplies into a single suitcase knows the struggle. Now imagine doing the same, but for your pet. The food, the toys, the comfort items. It's enough to make even the most seasoned traveler break out in a cold sweat. But here's some good news. It doesn't have to be this way. With the right planning and preparation, you can turn this daunting task into a walk in the park. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the ultimate guide to making traveling with pets a breeze. Choosing pet-friendly airlines and hotels. The first step to a pet-friendly vacation? Choosing the right airline and hotel. Let's start with airlines. Not all airlines are created equal when it comes to pet travel. Some provide excellent services like dedicated pet cabins, while others may only allow pets in the cargo hold. Key factors to consider are the airline's pet policies, cabin conditions, and any additional costs involved. For instance, some airlines offer cabin-friendly pet services, allowing your furry friends to travel with you in the main cabin. This is a great option, especially for smaller pets who might find the cargo hold stressful. Meanwhile, other airlines might offer specialized pet programs, providing amenities like temperature-controlled environments and real-time tracking of your pet's journey. Now, let's talk hotels. Just like airlines, not all hotels are pet-friendly. Therefore, it's crucial to do your homework. Look out for hotels that not only allow pets but also offer pet-friendly amenities. A truly pet-friendly hotel will have facilities like pet beds, food and water bowls, and even a special pet menu. Some hotels take it a step further with pet spas, grooming services, and dedicated pet play areas. It's like a vacation for your pet too. Additionally, it's worth noting that many vacation rental platforms now offer filters to find pet-friendly accommodations. This can be a great way to find a home away from home that's comfortable for both you and your pet. One important tip: always call ahead and confirm the pet policies. Some establishments have restrictions on pet size, breed, or the number of pets allowed. You wouldn't want any surprises at check-in, would you? In conclusion, taking the time to research and choose pet-friendly airlines and hotels can make a world of difference for your pet's travel experience. It's not just about finding places that allow pets, but about finding places that welcome them with open arms, ensuring they are comfortable, safe and well cared for. Remember, a little research goes a long way in ensuring a comfortable journey and stay for your pet. Necessary vaccinations and documents. Now that you've got your travel and accommodations sorted, let's talk about the necessary vaccinations and documents for your pet. In the intricate dance of travel preparation, keeping your pet's vaccinations up to date is an essential step. Just as we need to protect ourselves from potential health risks, our furry friends also need that shield of protection. Vaccinations help prevent diseases that can be harmful, or even fatal, to pets. Diseases like rabies, distemper, parvovirus, and leptospirosis are preventable through vaccines. So, ensure your pet's vaccinations are current before setting off on your adventure. Now, let's delve into the realm of paperwork. While it might seem tedious, having the right documents can make the difference between a perfect vacation and a rough time. A health certificate is often at the top of the list. This document, usually issued by a vet, confirms your pet is in good health and fit to travel. But don't stop there. Bring along your pet's vaccination records. These documents are proof that your pet has received the necessary vaccines, and they're often required by airlines, hotels, and even some tourist spots. And remember, each country or state might have its unique pet travel regulations, so it's crucial to research and prepare accordingly. Keeping your pet's health in check and documents ready will make your trip smoother and worry-free. So, before you pack those suitcases, make sure all your pet's medical ducks are in a row. Packing checklist for pets. Packing for a trip can be stressful, and it's even more so when you have a pet in tow. When embarking on a journey with our furry friends, it's crucial to ensure they have everything they need to feel comfortable and secure. This means going beyond the basics of food and water bowls. Let's dive into the comprehensive packing checklist for pets. Firstly, pack ample food and water for your pet. Consider the duration of your trip and the availability of pet food at your destination. It's always better to pack a little extra than to run out. Don't forget to include a portable water dispenser for those long drives or flights. Toys are another essential item to pack. They provide comfort and a sense of familiarity, which can be calming in new environments. So, bring along your pet's favorite playthings. If your pet has a particular blanket or bed they love, consider bringing that along too. Next, grooming supplies. Depending on your pet, this could include a brush, shampoo, pet wipes, and nail clippers. A well-groomed pet is a happy pet, and maintaining their grooming routine can help them adjust to the new environment. Health is paramount. Always pack any necessary medications your pet might need, along with a basic first aid kit. Include items like bandages, an antiseptic, a thermometer, and tweezers. It's also a good idea to have your vet's contact information handy, just in case. Finally, don't forget about waste management. This could mean bringing a litter box for cats or poop bags for dogs. It's essential to respect the environment and people around you by cleaning up after your pet. Remember, the goal is to mimic your pet's home environment as closely as possible. Familiar items will make them feel secure and help them adjust quickly to new surroundings. This can significantly reduce their stress and make the journey more enjoyable for both of you. With the right preparation and packing, your pet can have a safe and enjoyable vacation too. Summary and closing. So, we've covered the key steps of traveling with pets. That's right, you're now equipped with knowledge on picking pet-friendly airlines and hotels. You understand the importance of necessary vaccinations and having the right documents. And, you've got a handy packing checklist for your pet. All this prep work will ensure that your vacation with your pet goes smoothly. With these tips, you and your furry friend are all set for a perfect vacation. Safe travels.